So sorry, sorry for my voice. So today, guys, I'm going to show you what's on my phone. What's on my phone now, and first I see it's some music need. I have music and pretty video, YouTube me and YouTube. I get this team in Play Store, and second the place and other apps. I love so much apps. Aptoid. I have Play Store, Aptoid, App Store, and Google. Sorry. And I have my games. I have Tamways, Benji Banana, Coco PPA Play, My Stalking Angela, White Tiles, Poo or Pow, Doctor Driving, Lit Your Rims to making your server. I love so much playing Minecraft, so much Minecraft Pocket Edition, Flash VPN to connect to your server or other your friend's server. I have Dungeon Quest. Yeah, third airport. I have gallery, camera, and Portuguese. Things I need: calculator, clock, FM, radio settings, and Google settings. I have voice search, calendar, share it, Cronus, clock, star Safari, or anything. Download Black File Browser, Filipino Dictionary, another FM radio, Google settings, Nova Launcher. Oops, sorry. I have Greenity, no frills, root and SCR Pro or Screen Recorder Pro, Super SU, Terminal and Wi-Fi Kill. Search, recent, running photo, wallpaper, lock screen, gallery, Play Store, Homey, Theme, Camera, Doodle, Market, Preference, sorry, font, settings, and sticker. I have my social. I have only Facebook and Messenger. I don't have a Tumblr, a Geek, and all social. I have only Facebook and Messenger. So this is I have love it. Coco PPA the LWP slide to unlock your phone. I have to Coco PA. And the second I have oops, contact. I have phone dial. I have my apps drawer, map the picture of me, and I have a messaging or an SMS, and I have Google, and the I have the widget clock, If you want to change the click and hold and touch the style. If you want to change your widget and the color you want, and I have wallpaper or anything. This is a server. Another wallpaper. I love to. I love paper. My favorite character is Hello Kitty. Super I love it, and my sister loved the Hello Kitty, and me too. This is me. The next show you is my apps drawer. Yeah, this is all Aptoid, App Store, Browser, and Play Store. Google PPA. Love to play Dungeon Quest, Dumb Race, and anything. Let's show you my favorite play, Dumb Ways. To connect. I win and just a chapter without the same. Don't tap or press the red button. Said don't tap. And I win again. Wanna clean up this all to win. So and guys, that's all. Please subscribe my video. I have 3 video to upload to my channel. Just click up girl, and thanks for watching guys. Just don't comment bad, and just like it or comment nice, and thanks for watching. Bye.